Hi, I'm Stephanie Vostad with Kelly Construction, and I am the Client Experience and Design Manager for Kelly Construction. So what that means is I get to design all of these beautiful homes and also get to work with the clients during their purchase and any decisions that they have to be made if they buy early on in the process. So I'm going to take you through this beautiful home today and just chat through some of the details, some of the things that we have selected, and just give you a little sneak peek into my brain. So hold on. All right, so here we are in the living room. And this is one of my favorite features in this house. It is obviously a huge focal point, the fireplace. And we did a different tile that we have never done before. It is a newer tile, and they have two versions of this. So you can get it in the matte or the gloss. And you know, sometimes you just can't make up your mind. You're trying to decide. They're both cool. So we decided to go with a little bit of both. So, and we did just a random pattern. So there's a lot of interest. It's not too busy though. We don't want to be too busy, but definitely love to make a statement. And I think this fireplace achieves that. So, all right, here we are in this beautiful kitchen that we had so much fun designing. This is our mid-century modern design style, and you can definitely see the kitchen is just very clean, simple. We have a fun, unique layout in this kitchen as well. So we did the little bit higher upper cabinets flanking the cooktop with those big fun shelves, which is just something a little bit different. And the shelves are actually beautiful. You can decorate them or you can use them. You know, you can put your pretty dinnerware out there, your glasses, you know, and kind of mix and match, have a little bit of function and the pretty. So I think that's just fun. I love these countertops. We don't do these in a lot of homes, but they definitely give you that modern, fun vibe. It's just kind of like a concrete look. It's not concrete, it is quartz, but just definitely has the look of the concrete. So in here, we did a little bit of the painted black mixed with the birch, a more natural stain, which is just really fun. You're adding in that very modern look with a little bit more natural. And I think just pairing those is so fun and kind of unexpected. And then again here, we did a new fun tile that we haven't done before. So this is a newer tile, and yes, we are back to the square. So we've got the fun square, and it's got some variation to it. So you can see it's not just one solid white tile. It has a little bit of variation, which adds, again, some interest without being too busy. And it just pairs really great with the countertops. So, and then we have our slate appliances, which just add that nice contrast. And all of this just ties in really well with that fireplace. So it just works well together. So hope you love it. And of course, we cannot forget to talk about the light fixtures. So these are just some fun light fixtures, definitely have that mid-century modern feel to them. And I love the fact that they have the mixed metals. So we've got the black and the brass. So it's just fun. It adds, again, some visual interest, but just very classic. And then it ties in nicely with this light fixture in the dining room, which I also love. And we have, again, the black and gold or brushed bronze. And it's just a statement piece. So just kind of ties it all together. And now we will head downstairs. All right, here we are in the lower level in the bar area, which is so fun. I mean, we just have a lot of different things happening here. The cabinets are similar to upstairs where we have the mix of the stained, the natural stain finish with the painted. And then of course we have these beautiful dark countertops. So we went a little bit different down here just to give it its own unique feel, but still a statement. So, and then of course you can't help but notice the statement wallpaper behind me. So this is wallpaper. It is not torn. It looks like it is, but it's not. It's just a really cool look. But just adds something fun. Like to me, if you are down here entertaining, just having fun, you gotta have some fun wallpaper to go with that. So super functional. You've got the sink, you've got the spot for the little beverage fridge, and plenty of seating here. People can stand on this side. Just super functional and fun. And of course, we can't help but add another fun light fixture. So we've got the black and the gold. So just kind of ties it all together. And then over here, we have another beautiful fireplace. Totally different look. They're both tile, but this one, we went with a much softer palette, and this has just got a nice monochromatic tile and a lot of variation and interest, but still super simple and clean to just go with that mid-century modern look. And last but not least, we have to give you a sneak peek of the primary bathroom. Here we are in the primary bathroom, and in here, we did a little bit of a different look. We have just the stained cabinets with the white countertop, the white quartz. It just keeps it super clean and fresh for a bathroom. So that's why I did that. And it is fun. It's fun to change it up. So anyways, we went with the white in here. Again, we paired it with that fun statement wallpaper. Just, it's something fun. You get up in the morning, you know, just something to energize you and get you excited for the day. So just a little touch of that. It works really well with all of the tile in here. We have this beautiful black tile with some white veining in it. And then in the shower, which has this beautiful window to let in a ton of natural light, which everyone loves, we paired that with just a basic white subway tile, but just again, clean, simple, modern, and tied them together with the floor in a hexagon tile. So just a fun bathroom to wake up to and get ready. And now we're gonna head outside. All right, and here we are outside this beautiful home, and we just have to show off this fun stone. This is a very unique stone. We don't do this on a lot of homes, but it just pairs again so well with the dark color on the home. Just adds a ton of contrast, a little bit unexpected, but yet kind of pairs that modern with a little bit of that natural kind of rustic feel, which I love. And the house numbers just tie it all together. They really pull out the color of the stone. They contrast on that dark house. And it just gives you a little sneak peek of what to expect when you go inside. Thanks again for coming on this tour with me. And my name is Stephanie from Kelly Construction.